Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing Add Math. Students, today we are going to do question number 8 from past papers. The topic is circular measure. This question appeared in October-November 2013 paper 1-3 and the question is the diagram shows two concentric circles. Concentric means the same center. If two or more circles have same center, they are called concentric circles. Okay. The diagram shows two concentric circles, center O and radii 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. The points A and B lie on the larger circle and the points C and D lie on the smaller circle such that ODA and OCB are straight lines. Part number 1. Given that the area of triangle OCD is 7.5 centimeter square, show that theta is equals to 1.215 radians to 3 decimal places. Very easy, students. Consider a triangle OCD. So if you find, this is part number 1, if you find the area of triangle OCD, what you have learned in your mathematics course, the formula of the area of triangle is area is equals to half the first side, that is 4 in this question, the second side, that is 4 in this question because radii are same, multiply by the sine of given angle. Here angle is unknown, so we assign, and the question, the angle name is given theta. Here area is given, which is 7.5 is equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 into 4 is 8. 8 into sine theta, and sine theta is equals to 7.5 upon 8, and theta is equals to sine inverse 7.5 upon 8. Use your calculator, but keep in mind your calculator must be in radian mode to find sine inverse of 7.5 upon 8. You will get exactly 1.215 radians. So this is the requirement of question number 8, part number 1. We have achieved the target. Theta is equals to 1.215 radians. Now look at the next part of the question. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So in order to find the perimeter of the shaded region, you have to add all those lines which are touches to the shaded region. So here first is line CD. We are going to solve part number 2. This is part number 2. Line CD plus line AD, line CB, line AD, line CB plus the arc length AB. The arc length AB. Arc AB. So first we have to find the line CD. You can see clearly in this diagram, line CD is one of the side of the triangle OCD. So if we apply the cos rule on triangle OCD, we can easily find the side CD. So I am applying cos rule. That is CD square is equals to first side square 4 square, second side square 4 square, minus 2 multiplied by the first side multiplied by the second side, cos of the angle. Angle we have already find in part number 1, that is 1.215. Use your calculator to find the final answer. CD square is equals to, but your calculator must be in radian mode, 18.2. So CD must be the square root of 18.2. The answer is 4.266. So CD is 4.266. Now, what is AD and CB? As you know, in the question, the radius of the large circle is 6 centimeter. So, the radius of the smaller circle is 4 centimeter. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, AD and BC are 2. AD is 2. AD is equals to CB is equals to 2. So CD is 4.266, AD is 2, CB is 2. Now we are going to find out arc length. Arc AB. What is the formula of arc length? S is equals to R theta. Radius is 6 and angle we have already find, that is 1.215. 1.215. Calculate. You will get 7.29. Therefore, the perimeter of the shaded region is equals to CD is 4.266 plus AD is 2 plus CB is 2 plus arc length of AB, that is 7.29. Add all these, you will get 15.556. 15.556 centimeter. So this is our final answer of perimeter of the shaded region. Hope you understand entire part number 2. Let's have a look part number 3. What is part number 3? You can see on your screen. Find the area of the shaded region. In order to find the area of the shaded region, first we have to find the area of the whole diagram. You can see the area of the whole diagram represent the area of the sector of circle AOB. So first we have to find the area of sector AOB. What is the formula of the area of sector? 1 upon 2 into radius square. The radius of the big sector is 6 square and theta. theta you know is same, that is 1.215. 1.215. The answer is, I am using my calculator, 6 square multiplied by 1.215 divided by 2, 21.37. 21.37. This represents the area of the whole shape. Area of the whole figure, that is the area of the shaded region and unshaded region. Now, if you subtract the area of triangle OCD from the area of the sector AOB, you will get the final answer. So, area of the triangle is already given in the question, that is 7.5. So, you can write area of shaded region is equals to 21.37 minus 7.5. You will get 14.4 centimeter square, and this is our final answer. So hope you understand entire question. Total marks are 2 plus 4 6 plus 3 9. So this is our today's class, where we did question number 8 from past papers, appeared in October-November 2013, paper 1 free. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.